Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into Standard 8 Chapter 2 Measurements. Exercise 2.2 Sum 1 question number 2. The given question is find the perimeter and area of the combined figure given below. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is the given combined figure and we have to find the perimeter and area of this combined figure. You can see a rectangle shape and a quadrant shape is also there on either side of this rectangle shape. Now we have to find the perimeter and area of this combined figure. Now let us find the perimeter of this combined shape first. We know perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all the sides of the given shape. This is the given shape and the length of the rectangle is given 6 centimeters and the breadth of the rectangle is given 3.5 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is 6 centimeters and the breadth of the rectangle is 3.5 centimeters. The breadth of the rectangle is also the radius of this quadrant. So it is 3.5 centimeters is also the radius of this quadrant. So this side you can write 3.5 centimeters. And the length of this side also can be written as 3.5 centimeters as the radius of the quadrant is 3.5 centimeters. Now you can see the opposite side of the rectangle is equal. So it can be the length of this side can be 6 centimeter. Now we have to add all the sides of this given shape. But we have to find the length of this arc. You can see an arc here, right? This is the length of the arc of this quadrant. So we don't know the length of the arc of the quadrant. It is not given. So you have to find the length of the arc of these two quadrants. We know the formula to find the length of the arc of the quadrant is theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. The central angle of the quadrant is 90 degrees. So it is 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. Now let us simplify. 90 ones are 94s are. 2 2s are 2 1s are. Again 2 1s are 2 11s are. 7 1s are and 7 0.5s are is 3.5. Now let us multiply 11 into 0.5 is 5.5 centimeters. This is the length of this arc. The length of the arc of this quadrant is 5.5 centimeters. So you can see here two quadrants are there, right? So 2 into 5.5 will be 11 centimeters. So the length of these two quadrants is 11 centimeters. Therefore, length of the arc of two quadrants is 2 into 5.5, that is 11 centimeter. Now let us add all the sides of the given shape to find the perimeter. It is 11 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus 3.5 plus 6. 11 is the length of the arc of the two quadrants. It is equal to 30 centimeters. So the perimeter of the given shape is 30 centimeters. Now let us find the area of this combined shape. Area of the combined shape is equal to area of the two quadrants plus area of the rectangle. You can see here a rectangle shape is there, right? And you can see a quadrant on either side of the rectangle. So there are two quadrants and one rectangle. So we have to find the area of the rectangle and area of two quadrants. It is equal to 2 into theta by 360 degrees into pi r square plus L into B square units. L into B is the area of the rectangle formula. Now let us write like this. 2 into 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Here 3.5 is the radius of the quadrant plus 6 into 3.5. Length of the rectangle is 6 centimeters and breadth of the rectangle is 3.5 centimeters. Now let us simplify. 91s are 94s are. 2 2s are 2 1s are. 2 1s are 2 11s are. 7 1s are 7 0.5s are. 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 plus 6 into 3.5. It is equal to 19.25 plus 21. It is equal to, when you add these two numbers, you will be getting 40.25 centimeters square approximately. This is the area of this combined shed. Thank you.